Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce without vinegar. The secret lies in fermentation, a natural process that produces lactic acid, giving your sauce a wonderful tang. This method not only eliminates the need for vinegar, but also adds complex flavors. We'll guide you through creating a safe and delicious fermented hot sauce from start to finish, ensuring a unique and flavorful result. Get ready to explore a new dimension of homemade hot sauce. Selecting the right peppers is your first step to an amazing hot sauce. Choose fresh, vibrant peppers that are free from blemishes. You can also incorporate other ingredients like garlic, onions, or even fruits to build a more complex flavor profile. Remember to wash your produce thoroughly and chop the peppers, removing the stems. Keeping some of the seeds will increase the heat level of your final sauce. Now, let's set up your fermentation vessel. Tightly pack your prepared peppers and any additional ingredients into a clean, sanitized jar. Next, pour your prepared salt brine over everything, making sure all solids are completely submerged. This is critical to prevent mold. Use a fermentation weight or a small, clean bag filled with brine to keep the ingredients below the liquid line. Seal the jar with an airlock lid. After fermenting for 1 to 3 weeks, or until it reaches your desired tanginess, it's time to blend your masterpiece. Carefully transfer the fermented peppers and a small amount of the brine into a blender. Blend until you achieve a smooth consistency. You can adjust the thickness by adding more of the fermentation brine or a little fresh water. Taste and adjust seasonings if needed, then bottle your unique vinegar-free hot sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.